So folks, in this one we are going to focus on a bit of the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. You can create videos from here, download here, which shows no session obviously because we haven't done that. This is the media library, which is pretty much plain now. Plugins, we have voice plugin, which we can't use because we gotta upgrade to pro. Then you have text to clip, which we're going to use now. We have text to image, and we have preset library. Okay, so folks, presets basically means a bunch of conditions that you want to put in your prompts so that you get the desired results. Let's go and start with text to image. I'll keep it as, again, Mickey Mouse because I didn't get the prompt right last time because of the AI. In Wolf of Wall Street. 4K. Generate. And I'll... Oops. So we cannot do that because it needs text to image. Yeah, it needs upgrade. Sorry. Text to clip probably needs upgrade as well. Do I not have upgrades about it? So I haven't used anything yet. Yeah, so I can definitely have that. Actually, if you use other AIs, you realize here they have a button which can help you build the clip as well, the prompt. So we will go with Wolf of Wall Street anime. Oh no, it's a dumb tool, folks. I'm telling you, it's too much hype around this, but it's not worth it. Forget it. We'll go to our videos which we were supposed to make. Okay, there we go. So Invideo AI version 3.0, right? Let's make some videos. What should we make? Well, we should make something along the lines of anime. You know? Anime with whom can we add? Let's add a historical figure. Anime with Bruce Lee. This was going to be cool. Bruce Lee as the hero. 8K and generate. Now it's generating, folks. This one's interesting because anime with Bruce Lee as the hero, 8K. The moment it generates, you will get a big surprise. So stay tuned. Finally, after waiting for 5 million years, we have got our video. Okay, let's watch it. Let's go.
The Dragon's Spirit. Bruce Lee's enduring legacy, Bruce Lee. A legend, an icon. His name alone evokes images of power and speed. Lee transcended martial arts. He became a global phenomenon. His movies shattered box office records. His philosophy, Jeet Kune Do, challenged traditional thinking. Even now, his influence on martial arts and action cinema is undeniable. But imagine experiencing Bruce Lee in a whole new way, through the vibrant, dynamic world of anime. This is not just animation. It's about capturing the essence of Bruce Lee. We're talking about a series that pushes the boundaries of anime. Imagine the detail.
Cool.
Imagine the
Pretty
action.
cool.
8K animation brings a whole new level of realism to Bruce Lee's movements. Every punch, every kick, every fluid motion becomes a work of art. This is Bruce Lee as you've never seen him before. Believed in pushing boundaries, both physical and mental.
Pretty cool.
His teachings went beyond fighting techniques. They were about self-discovery, self-expression, and achieving your full potential. In his own words,
Yeah.
be like water making its way through cracks. Do not be assertive, but adjust to the object, and you shall find a way around or through it.
Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Thank you so much for having the patience to bear with me. It was good. Would have been better if we generated completely by Gen AI. That was it from this one, folks. I'm super tired. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.